Okay, who's it from?
Grandma Marcy.
Grandma Marcy. Can you say thank you?
Thank you, Grandma Marcy.
Can you say thank you, Paul?
Thank you.
Okay, now let's see what Grandma Marcy got you. Woohoo, tissue paper.
Oh my goodness. What
What
is
is that?
It looks like a racetrack.
What is it, Paul?
Nah.
Lightning McQueen racetrack?
Awesome. What do you say to Grandma Marcy?
Thank you.
No, look at the camera.
Thank you. Let me see.
What did you get, Andrew?
Oh, it's from cars.
It sure is. It's very well wrapped.
Yeah.
Oh, Andrew. You're driving me crazy, buddy. Open. I need to know what it
What's it gonna
is.
be? Oh.
Is it a large one? Is it like a small one?
Polly?
Mac! It's Mac!
It's Mac!
Yeah.
Wow!
Yeah!
What do you guys say? What do you guys say?
Him.
What do you guys say?
Thank you, Grandma.
Well, I think once Mom gets it hooked up and running for you, you'll be pretty dang happy.
Will you open it up so I can see?
Yeah.